Hey everyone, I just want to take a brief moment to pay my respects to Breonna Taylor. As you all know, her birthday was yesterday and she would have turned 27 was she not murdered by police in her own home. In my description box, I'll be including tips and links to resources where you can donate, including to her family's GoFundMe page. You know, this situation is honestly so heartbreaking. I just pray that we can all come together and apply pressure so that her murderers can be charged and convicted. And you know, this is a critical point where we all need to come together and show support to our brothers and sisters. So with that being said, I do want to encourage you all to check out the Foreign Curves blog by Anita Mady on Instagram. You know, she made a list of 30 plus Black-owned businesses, including mine, and I'm super grateful for the exposure. I'm gonna add the link to her blog in my description box, so make sure you guys check that out. Thank you so much. I love you all. Please stay safe and stay blessed. Now let's get into this video. What's up, guys? Okay, first let me just apologize because I was very lazy with my wig cap, so you could kind of see through the lace, but whatever. We're gonna start off with an edge control brush, and we're gonna part the wig whichever style you want. So I'm doing a side part here. Now I'm going into the hairline and I'm going to start separating the hairs that I want to be my baby hairs. The hairs that I want to be, yeah. Now we're gonna start cutting it. You don't want it to be too short, but you also don't want it to be too long, you know? Get your mousse, spray it on your hand, slick them babies down, just like that. Ooh. Swoop, swoop, dry it, you know, use that hair dryer. Back to the swoop, swoop it up. Now I love this wrap it hair wrap thing. Okay, you tie it and now you wait for your edges to load, basically. After 10 minutes or so, you take it off. Boom. You get your contour palette. Boom. You apply the contour powder. Boom. This is the Bold Hold glue remover, just for the excess glue on the sides. Now you're basically done. Yeah, that's really it, guys. Just brush it down and voila. You see, real quick, real simple, real cute. Angles, okay? You look good, bitch. All right, bye, guys.